Hi, my name is Lena. I'm a regional manager and a brand ambassador of HERMA labeling machines. The purpose of this second Asian training event is to equip our partners with all the knowledge that they need to sell HERMA applicators, HERMA Echo, HERMA 500 and solo labeling machines, which is a Malaysian fusion with German technology, Malaysian product handling into the Southeast Asian market. We want to ensure that they have all the knowledge, that they know all the reference cases that we have, and that they ensure that the customers are being well taken care of and that they deliver the same support as we would do in Germany. So for 2025, my deepest wish is actually that we sell HERMA Echo to the region. This is a device that is perfectly made for Southeast Asia. This is a device that is covering all the standard applications that we see in the market.
Now HERMA have the new model is a HERMA Echo. Yeah, it's very good. Yeah, I like this.
This training of HERMA Echo is so helpful because we learned the capability of the machine and the difference between the other machines. Especially with HERMA Echo, which has an added speed and a full master encoder function, which make it more competitive in the market because it has the same price with the HERMA Basic.
I got so many updates about this machine, especially for HERMA Echo and HERMA 500. We know that as sales and marketing and also our team, we need more knowledge so we can enter to the market and know each market more deeply.
It's our pleasure to welcome and cooperate with HERMA from Germany as one of the leading brands in the labeling industry. HERMA has played a significant role in advancing the industry.
I want our partners to be successful. I want HERMA to be successful. I want this to be the labeling brand of Southeast Asia.
HERMA! Power!